world without the Constitution, society would be chaos. We'd be living in anarchy. No, worse. We'd be living under the Articles of Confederation. I mean, we wouldn't have Congress to make laws. We wouldn't have the president to enforce those laws. We would not have the Supreme Court to determine the constitutionality of those laws. I mean, can you imagine? Without the Constitution, the states wouldn't have any of their reserve powers, which means the states wouldn't have the power to establish schools. And without the concurrent powers, neither the state government nor the federal government could impose taxes on them. I know, terrible, right? You may not think it's a big deal now, but if we didn't have the Constitution, we also wouldn't have the Bill of Rights. That means no First Amendment protecting your freedom of religion, speech, press, and right to peaceably assemble and petition. No Second Amendment giving you the right to bear arms or maintain a well-regulated militia. No Third Amendment protecting you from quartering soldiers during peaceful times.
Don't give me 50!
And no Fourth Amendment protecting you from unreasonable searches and seizures. Without the Eighth Amendment, no one's protecting your freedom from excessive bail and cruel and unusual punishments.
Bail set at 20, kid. 20,000, kid.
Without the Sixth Amendment, you don't have the right to a speedy and public trial. And you can't plead to the Fifth Amendment protecting you from self-incrimination and double jeopardy. And you don't have the right to a trial by jury in civil cases from the Seventh Amendment. Not to mention, the 13th never abolished slavery, the 14th never gave former slaves citizenship, and the 15th never expanded voting rights. No income tax from the 16th, no direct election of senators from the 17th, and no prohibition from the 18th. What? The 18th Amendment is very important. Without it, we wouldn't have the 21st Amendment. The repealing of prohibition? There would be no women's suffrage because the 19th Amendment would never pass. And there would be a possible autocracy because the 22nd Amendment never limited presidency to 2 terms. And the national voting age wouldn't be 18, because without the Constitution, the 26th Amendment wouldn't exist. So that is the reason that the Constitution is still relevant to this day. So what do you think? Am I going to get an A on my AP Gov project? A plus? Yeah, maybe I need to work on it a little more. A world without the Constitution.